चरण से हेतु सब आशा हने सर्वज्ञ भाषित धर्म दश विधि दया में पूजो सदा जजु भावना षोडश रतन तीर्था बिना शिव नहीं कदा त्रैलोक्य के कृत्रिम अकृत्रिम चैत्य चैत्याले जयु पनु मेर नंदेश्वर जिनालय अक्षर सुर पूजति भजु कैलाश शिर समेत शिर गिरनाथ पूजो सदा चंपापुरे पावापुरे पुण्यो तीरथ सर्वदा चौबीस सिर जिन राज पूजो शीश क्षेत्र विदेह नामावली सहस वसु जप होय पति शिव गेह के जल गंधा शत पुष्प चरु दीप धूप फल लाए सर्व पूज्य पद पूजहूँ बहुगिरि भक्ति बढ़ाए ओम श्री महार्घ निपाति स्वाहा। अब जो है हम विसर्जन करेंगे। जो भी यहाँ हमने भगवान को स्थापित किया है, अभी हम जिसमें त्रुटि हो गई वो हमारे से, उसके लिए हम क्षमा वाणी करेंगे। इसके लिए हम विसर्जन करते हैं। संपूर्ण विधि कर दीनो इस परन पूजन साथ में आज्ञान वश शत्रु कविदिते चूक कीनो पाठ में सो पूर्ण समस्त विधिवत शरण ते बंदो तुम्हें कर जोड़ के उठात जामन मरण ते आवानन संस्थापनन तथ विकर विधान जी पूजन विसर्जन यथा विधि जानो नहीं गुण खान जी जो दोष लागो सो नशो सब तुम चरण की। महावीर भगवान की जयंती मनाने के लिए। लेकिन महावीर जयंती हम किस लिए मनाते हैं? ताकि जो महावीर भगवान ने हम लोगों को संदेशा दिया है उस पर हम अचल करें। We follow the principles of Mahavir Bhagwan. Now there are many aspects of Lord Mahavir teachings, and following three are the main principles that he teaches us. The one is no one-sided stand, इनंकवाद। दूसरा है नॉन वायलेंस, अहिंसा। और तीसरा है नॉन पोजेशन, दैट्स अपरिग्रह। So these are the three principles, main principles that he teaches us to follow. Now what are these three? No one-sided standpoint springs from the concept of non-violence. The principle makes it easy for us to achieve mutual love and friendliness in the human society. Non-violence is very subtle principle. Any kind of violence to any kind of living being is a great sin. According to Mahavir, violence is not merely killing or stop killing, but it is including hurting of feelings of others. That's very important. And hunting and fishing also prohibited by Lord Mahavir. Possession, aparigraha, or craving for possessions, giving us rise to evils like violence, untruth, theft, etc. This craving creates disparity among people and can also lead to class war. As you know, today in the world, this is what's going on. Therefore, control over one's desire to possess is good for both individual and the society. Therefore, Lord Mahavira has put great emphasis on limiting one's possessions. He opposed killing of animals in sacrifice. Other thing he taught us is that we are all equal. Unlike, the four classes that is there, Shudra, Brahman and Kshatriya and all that, he does not believe that all these classes are created by us. It is all visual acts that create to those societies. For example, that person who has a high quality and he is a Shudra, that means he did some good things, so he become a Vaishnava, means he has a good karmas in that sense, so he becomes high class. And the person who is high class and he did misdeeds, then he becomes Shudra. The society does not like him and discard him, so he becomes, as a matter of fact, untouchable. So these are all sets of, not the sets, but the classes of society. It is all created by its own deed. He taught us the highness or the superiority of man is based on and determined by the good and cultural thoughts and conducts. He there opened the door of religious orders to the low caste and downtrodden and untouchables. In his congregation, he never stopped untouchables coming to his congregation. So he does not give a discrimination to any caste or tribes. Jain proclaimed that there is no harm in the following any of the system of the philosophy and practice if it helps men to cultivate righteous conduct and to progress in the direction of the final goal of non-achievement. And in the end, it's mitti me savabhaveshu. This is a universal friendliness and love. So this is the message that the Lord Mahavir gave us, and I hope you will all follow this So you'll be more happy in the life, and also you're going to give happiness to the other people also. Thank you.